subscribe my YouTube channel, and let's get started. In this video I'm going to unbox my drone, and this is the air drone, and it is the god of space, and it is 3D in the sky, stunt flying drone. As you can see the box, it is 2.4 gigahertz, and here's the remote, and let's unbox it. Okay guys, first here's the tape. We will open it, and one is here guys, and it is open. Now we'll take it out, and here is the tape, and as you can see, now it is open and it's out. I think okay guys, it's out, and here's our drone. It's the drone, and it is the remote, as you can see, and these are some the helicopters. And this was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and bye.